Day 134, Viltrox. Hey, it's been a minute and I'm here again today on day 134 to show you a lens I just acquired. It's a Viltrox full frame. It's a 20mm f2.8. Right, so seals off, and right straight out of the box we have a business card, something to do with instruction manuals, the instruction manual, the Viltrox warranty card, and a carrying bag for the lens. This is quite important. I love it. Yep, a nice little carrying bag for the lens. And finally, I love the packaging. Well done, Viltrox. This is my first Viltrox lens and my widest lens right now. I've been using the 50mm as my widest lens, but now we get the Viltrox 20mm and it looks so nice, feels so good, very tiny, light. I could play around with this. Comes with a little lens hood. Alright, a USB-C for updates, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Maybe right about now, let me show you the perspective of this lens right now. And this is it. This is us on the 20mm, the Viltrox. I didn't want to move anything, so I think you can see the stand, you can see part of the light, and you can see my shoes too have this nice little, see? Yeah. Anyway, and you'll see me in the next one. Have a good night.